Have you ever heard of Sugo Finto? Let's make this beautiful Tuscan ragu. And the story always starts by adding a good quality extra virgin olive oil. Next, the trinity, the soffritto. Onion, carrot, and celery. Add 2 bay leaves. A ragu is something that you do slowly with a lot of care. So put it on a medium heat and let it slowly cook. Now chop basil, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, and parsley. Now make a little space in the middle and add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Just a pinch of salt, generous amount of black pepper, good glug of wine. Stay there, wait, cook off all the alcohol. You just want the sweetness from it. Now add 1 can of plum tomatoes. Crush them with your hands just before to add them. Add 1 can of vegetable stock and add it to the ragu. Cook it for 20 minutes on a medium heat until reduced by half. I'm gonna use potato gnocchi today. Put the gnocchi and the ragu back in the heat and stir it all together. Turn the heat off and add the last drop of olive oil. This meatless Tuscan ragu is just incredible. You need to give it a try. Cheers and buon appetito!